Welcome to all for a PHP session. In that session, we try to cover the PHP syntax and structure. Let's start with that PHP syntax and structure. PHP is similar to C. All the scripts start with the less than question mark PHP and end with the question mark greater than sign. We use the line separator as a semicolon. We write the code block in between the open curly braces and close curly braces. White spaces is generally ignored, not a string. Comments are created using single quotes by // and multiple line blocks use that slash star star slash. We directly use the precedence for that giving the parenthesis. Suppose in that example it shows that two lines $sum equal to 5 plus 3 into 6, the equal result is the 23, and the second line if you use a parenthesis the result is going to change. So definitely we have to follow the precedence. So next we are trying to discuss different tokens used in PHP. First token is comments. Comments give the information to people who read your code but they ignored by PHP at execution time. The following comments can be included in the PHP: C, C++ comment that // or star slash, as well as shell script styles comment like that hash. Second type of token is literal. A literal is a data value that appears directly in the program. The following example literal are that 2000 is a numbers, 0xFE, 1.4142, hello world is a string, hi is one of the example of the literal, and true and null. True is a boolean value. The next type of token of the PHP is identifier. An identifier is a simply name. In the PHP, identifier are used to name variables, function, constant, and classes. The first character of identifier must be ASCII letter, uppercase or lowercase, the underscore character, or any of the character between ASCII 0x7f and ASCII 0xFF. After the initial character, this character the digit 0 to 9 are valid. Next token is variable. In that we have to declare the variable. So if you want to declare, so we begin with the $sign and it is a case sensitive prefix with the dollar. Assign the value with the equal to operator. Example is that $author equal to Trevor Adams is one of the example of declaration of variable. No need to define the type. Variable name are case sensitive. Suppose in that example it show the two authors, it's a differently treated. Author capital letter, author small, it treated as a differently. Is an example of the PHP that we declare the two variable author equal to kkWp message hello world. So we use the echo keyword for that display these all the my messages. Next token is constant. A constant is identifier for simple value. Only scalar value, boolean, integer, double, string can be constant. One set of value constant cannot be changed. Constant refer to their identifier are set up using define functions. So how can I define the constant? Define miles to kilometer comma 1.6 use without dollar $km equal to 5 into miles to kilometer. Next token is keyword. A keyword or reserved word is the words aside the language for its core functionality. You cannot be give variable, function, class or constant same name as a keyword. For example, keyword in the PHP which are case insensitive, abstract, and array, function, as, break, echo, else is example of the keywords. Data types. PHP provide 8 types of value or data types. 4 are scalar single types, that integer, floating points, string, and boolean. 2 are compounds, that array and object, and the remaining 2 are special type, resource and nulls. PHP data types. PHP is not strictly bound type, different Java where the variable is declared. Data type is either text or numeric. PHP decides what type of variable is having. PHP can be variable in appropriate automatically. Example, $VAT rate equal to 0.175 is the example of numeric. Then echo VAT rate into 100 output 17.5. VAT rate is a converted to string for purpose of the echo statement. Object and array is unknown, exist as a types. These are example of that we have to embed the HTML with PHP codes. So we call as the PHP can be placed directly inside the HTML code. So simply we write the HTML tag, then we return the head, title, body tag, then we write the code of the PHP. These are some operators in the PHP. PHP divide the operator in the following groups: arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, increment decrement operator, logical operator, string operator, array operator, and conditional assignment operator. So let's see that different operator and expressions. So arithmetic operator, that operator is a plus, use, addition, or unary operator. So example of that, $x plus dollar, that way we have declared these variables with the plus sign. Then subtraction, $x minus $y. Multiplication, we use these same things, but you have to change the sign. Division, mod operator, and exponential operators. Next is logical operator. We use the AND operator for that purpose of perform the logical operations. OR operator is a double pipe operator, not an explanatory operator. This example given in that your right hand side. Increment operator means double plus sign. Then we use the two types of increment, pre-increment and post-increment. In that it show that pre-increment, in that we call as a post-increment. Decrement, decrement by one value is called as a pre-decrement and post-decrement. And conditional, question mark, colon, and conditional operator is indicated by this example if the value is true or false. Next type of operator is that assignment operator. Equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, into equal to, divide equal to. This is example of the my assignment operator, and it given the example of the assignment operator. Then relation operator. In the relation operator we use the less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, equal to, not equal to. Then not equal to or not equal to types. This is the relation operator. Then increment and decrement operator. I already discussed about what is the post increment, what is the pre-increment. So example is given the right hand sides. Same in the pre-increment, pre-decrement. String used for if you want to concat the strings, so use the dot. Concatenations, concatenation assignment, use the text1 dot equal to text2. Use the ternary operator. X equal to exponent 1, we define the three expression. This is example operator. Mathematical operator, string concatenation with period operator. So we example of that use the dot operator for concatenate the string. Basic boolean comparison with the equal to, using only will be override the variable value. Less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to.